It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Look what I received in the mail. So I got the Young Nails Dust Collector when they had the Labor Day sale. And this is what it came with, this little booklet, the charger cable, and of course, the dust collector. So this is how it looks like while you use it. And if you want to clean it, you just take this off, and it's so cool. It's on by like magnets, so it just stays on like that. Then you have the filter, and you remove that, and this is the fan part that sucks the dust in. So of course you want to take this outside, get the dust out of there in between uses. So over here, this is the power button, and on this side, this is where you plug it up. So I'm about to plug it up and turn it on. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, this is what it sounds like. So it seems to only have like one setting. Also, when the top is not secured properly, you can't use it, so the light will flash. So here is solid, but if I don't, let's say I have this kind of sideways and I hit it, you see how it's flashing? It's going to let you know that it's not properly assembled. So that's cool. When it's properly assembled, then you hit the button again and it just comes on. So that's awesome. It also says that the filter may be cleaned by rinsing in water. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. It say that you are not supposed to bend, scrub it, or use any cleaning products on the filter. And if you do the water option, just make sure that it's completely dry before you put it back in the machine so you don't damage it. It also says to replace the filter if the airflow remains weak after cleaning. Change the filter every 3 months depending on the frequency and intensity of use. Regularly empty the filter after serving about 4 to 6 people. Please do not block the air vents, as the disturbed airflow may cause dust to be released from the filter. And it says the filter will be damaged by acetone. That's something that I was looking for. So you will only need to pull this out when you're about to start filing. When you have acetone and all that out, I would not have this out. So I do like how it's kind of small and compact. I am going to keep it in the box, so because the box is really nice. It has a little handle and everything. So I'm just going to keep it put in the box until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so I am going to do a little clip of me using it. So so you guys can see and so I can see if it's really gonna suck this dust up how I need it to, okay? So I took the filter out and tapped it on my floor, and this is how much dust was in the filter. I did have a little dust in my lap and on my hands, but it wasn't as bad as it usually is, so that's a good thing.
It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.